Fish are all suffocating from the shitty water. Look at the dead ones. That one's about to go. It's trying to breathe. It's gasping. There's another one right there. Can't breathe. Because this fucking sewage or whatever the fuck is in this. It's about to jump. It'll jump. It's the last thing it can do. Trying to breathe for air. Trying to get something in its lungs so it doesn't die because it feels itself drowning. Both of them. I can hear the sounds all over this fucking shitty lake. I think this one's on its last few seconds. Yeah, look at it. Look at this thing. Can't breathe at all. Can't breathe at all in this fucking water. Look. Fish is trying to breathe. She's gonna die. Look, there's nothing you can do. Swimming around, sticking its fucking head out of the water as if it can breathe air. One just died over there. This one's been fighting for a while. It's almost over. If I had a gun, I'd fucking shoot it, obviously, but